Hello everybody, King Drops from the Build or Survive server. I'm here with Killer Row. He's playing some pool right now, chilling in the night lounge. I'm going to be showing you some chicken farms. Night vision lounge, as you can see. Here you are, Killer, have a drink. Drink it up, come on. You know he will. He's such a scallywag, this one. Now, drunk as he may be, Killer will be showing us the chickens and how we deal with those in our compound. Two methods we got going here. As you could see, a disco fire that we're burning. We don't need it over there. Okay, so we're gonna be passing this wheat farm. Here we are. Got a chest out front here. Got some eggs. We've run out of the lot. I haven't been making as many. Out doing other things. There's another chest. Lots of eggs. This is the where they come from. We also got chickens that come from down here. I'll show you how it all works. Got our furnaces to cook those chickens. Come on, Killer. You drunk? Alright. Right up here. Can't really use this view. It's hard to see. Hey everybody. Alright. Here we are up at the first chicken coop that we have here. As you can see, we can switch from chickens to eggs for the conveyor downstairs. Show you more of the pen. Follow Killer up here. Looking up at G. Okay, so we just whip some eggs in here to get them to hatch. That's how we fit. Oh, dropping them. I'm gonna throw them. Alright. So that's how we keep refilling them. Now I think we're gonna be flushing them soon. Got another fire disk here. Gotta burn this one too. For reasons I can't explain. Close this door here. Okay. Oh, maybe you guys should see it as it flushes before I go back downstairs. So I'll switch it over. Come on, Killer. There we are. Makes the water go away, they fall below. Water goes back on and closes her over. Chickens go down the conveyor belts. Maybe Killer will flush it again. He loves to flush it. And he did. Alright, downstairs. Hopefully the door's closed, and it is. Come on, Killer. And here we go. Getting some chickens. Just gotta get this block out of here. Wish I could speed up the video for you, but I can't. It's gonna drop in a second. Killer's got it. There we go. Stick up the sword, cut them all up. A little punch here. We got all the drops, we got feathers, we have the chicken, the actual meat, and we have the eggs. Cook the meat in here. We already got a stack almost. Very messy inventory, as you can see. Very random things right now. Had a slime attack earlier, that's why I got the slimes here. Alright, one escaped. Let's put these away. And normally you'd refill, but we'll do that later. Might throw a couple in just to show. Once again. Oh. Before that though, we do have this other chicken coop number 2, inspired from Killer here. Looks like you're outdoors. Let's go on. Here we are, lapis on the roof. I love lapis, just slots everywhere, looks amazing. And here's the other chicken coop. Simple but extremely effective. Just don't kill those off and steady flow of some eggs. And killer fishing in our fishing pond here. What a G, doing G things in a G compound. All I can say about KRKT, which is Killer King Drops if you didn't know. Alright, might throw a few eggs in here to sign off. Please subscribe, build us a 5. Great server, more videos to come.